Welcome back, YouTube fam. Today, join us as we dive deep into the dazzling world of one of the music industry's biggest superstars, Drake. With chart-topping hits and extraordinary talent, the Canadian rapper has amassed an awe-inspiring fortune, living a life of unimaginable luxury. From jaw-dropping mansions to rare supercars and more, we'll explore Drake's insane luxury assets that leave us in awe and envy. But before we continue, make sure to like our video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome content. Let's begin and look inside the massive estate of Drake. Nestled in the mountains above Beverly Hills, Drake's luxurious paradise is now up for grabs, listed at an astonishing $88 million, only a year after the renowned rapper acquired this palatial estate. Join us on an exclusive journey as we explore the opulent world of one of the music industry's biggest superstars and delve into the captivating story of this extraordinary mansion. Originally designed by the prolific architects at KAA Design Group for luxury brand co-founder of Guess, the Tuscan-style mansion boasts nearly 25,000 square feet of opulence. Over the years, the house underwent significant changes, starting with Mediterranean-themed interiors, and later transformed by English pop star Robbie Williams into contemporary spaces. Williams purchased the property in 2015 for a hefty $33 million. Drake's enchanting acquisition. Last spring, the mansion changed hands once again, when Williams and his wife Ada Field sold it to Drake for an impressive $75 million. While the exact modifications made by the rapper remain undisclosed, the glossy property listing website showcases the house much as it appeared during Williams' ownership, often featured on Field's Instagram account. Exclusivity and serenity. Secluded high above Benedict Canyon at the end of a discreet cul-de-sac, the property offers a sense of privacy and exclusivity. The house welcomes guests through grand gates and an extended driveway, lined with dozens of mature olive trees and ancient oaks. The exquisite design and meticulously crafted details, including acres of marble finishes and custom woodwork, undoubtedly cost a fortune to install, exemplifying the epitome of bespoke luxury. Indulgent interiors. Newly staged, the interiors exude a soothing minimalist ambiance. Key highlights include the double-height foyer with an impressive grand staircase, a spacious living room featuring 2 hulking fireplaces, a wine cellar, a state-of-the-art gym, and an elevator for convenient access to multiple levels. The gourmet kitchen, equipped with dual islands, satisfies the culinary desires of even the most discerning chef. Upstairs, the master retreat offers a private view balcony and an indulgent salon-style bathroom, reminiscent of a small house in itself. Accommodating staff needs and welcoming guests, the estate includes a dedicated staff wing and a separate guest house. Panoramic views and stunning grounds. While the interiors dazzle with their sophistication, the sprawling grounds and panoramic views steal the show. The compound spans nearly 20 acres, adorned with one of the largest lawn areas in the prestigious 90210 area code. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the full-size tennis court, an outdoor kitchen for al fresco dining, and a hidden orchard providing a peaceful sanctuary. However, a majority of the extensive land is rugged hillside, providing a picturesque backdrop to this magnificent residence. Embracing the Toronto roots, despite parting ways with this breathtaking oasis, no information has been disclosed about where Drake is moving next. Nevertheless, he still cherishes his Toronto roots, where he owns a massive 50,000 square foot monster mansion situated in the affluent Bridle Path neighborhood. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did creating it. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the exciting content we have coming your way. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload from us. We love interacting with you in the comments, so drop us a message and let us know what you thought of today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring.